live tayo ngayon, guys. So to everyone watching, please do keep all your comments coming. Keep your messages coming as well. We'll try to read that later on. Mag-comment lang po kayo ngayon. Ang daming nagko-comment na parang, tapos na ba? Tapos na ba? No! Ito na guys, mag-start na tayo. I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Ai De La Cruz. Thank you so much for joining us every month. So para sa mga first time po sumama sa amin dito sa Star Magic Spotlight Press Con, this is a monthly show we're doing para updated kayo sa mga lives, sa mga happenings sa ating favorite Star Magic artists. Kung meron silang recent achievements or kung merong upcoming shows or upcoming projects. This is where we tell you guys all about them. Okay? So ngayon naman, ito na, I'm sure hihintay niyo to. Bago tayo magsimula, gusto namin pasalamatan sa yung Coffee Project for having us. Thank you, the Coffee Project, for our beautiful venue. And dahil nga, press ko nito, kasama pa rin natin ang ating media friends! Yeah! Thank you for staying, guys! Maraming salamat po. Okay, so ito na. I will introduce our Star Magic artists for today. Ang ating next batch na mga kasama ay apat sa ating players this upcoming Star Magic All-Star Games. Ang ilan sa kanila ay ilang beses na natin napanood sa court sa Big Dome. Pero yung ilan naman sa kanila ay first time nating mapapanood playing this July 20. And joining us today are, ito na, makakasama na natin siya, Dylan Iturralde from the Smashers Men's Volleyball Team.
Hello.
Mamaya natin makakasama mga pakita. Okay, we also have Rain Parani and Jazz Dudley, scales of the Lady Setters Women's Volleyball Team, and representing Shooting Stars Basketball Team, Argel Saicon. So mamaya ipapakita na namin sila sa inyo. Pero sa ngayon, actually, meron kaming surprise na ihanda para sa inyo. Let's watch this. The Star Magic All-Star Games are back this year. With returning favorites and fresh new faces in the lineup, fans can expect another round of thrilling, action-packed matches. This July 20 at the Smart Araneta Coliseum, get ready for back-to-back volleyball and basketball showdowns you wouldn't want to miss. One of the players to watch out for is Dylan Iturralde, who's sure to be a key player in this year's games. Known as the Astig Volleyball ng Pampanga from Pinoy Big Brother Gen 11, Dylan brings solid experience to the court, having played as a setter for the University of the East's team. He has also been busy in the acting department, making his debut in Love at First Spot. On screen and on the court, without a doubt, he is a promising talent to watch out for. Another player in this year's All-Star Game is Rain Parani, who's part of the women's volleyball lineup for the third time this year. Rain first gained recognition as a housemate in PBB Season 8 Team Edition. Currently a college student, she skillfully balances her studies with her showbiz commitments. On top of that, she also competes in beauty pageants and was proclaimed second runner-up in the 2023 Binibining Pilipinas. Now, she was given her first lead acting debut in the series Love at First Spot, starring opposite Emilio Diaz. Playing alongside her in Team Lady Setters is Jazz Dudley Scales, who came from the same PBB Gen 11 batch as Rain and Dylan. This will be her first time to play in the All-Star Games, making it an exciting event for her and her fans. Known as the optimistic Ate of Dumaguete, Jazz is a ray of sunshine who brings positivity wherever she goes. While she continues to grow her career in entertainment, she also embraces an active lifestyle, being a certified scuba diver and an adventurous soul. And on the court, that same energy makes her a player to watch out for. Now, front-lining Shooting Stars in their much-anticipated rematch against Kong TV's Team Payaman is PBB Season 8 Adult Edition standout, Argel Saicon, playing for the fourth time in the history of Star Magic All-Star Games. Since his PBB stint, Argel has ventured into acting with appearances in projects like Advocate, Darna, and Can't Buy Me Love, to name a Even more stars are set to shine in the upcoming All-Star Games, including Gerald Anderson, Fian Smith, JM Ibarra, BGYO's Akira and JL, Venus Nika Lim, Donnie Pangilinan, and many others. Truly thrilling times await on the courts of the Big Dome. Get your tickets now at ticketnet.com.ph. Don't miss it on July 20 at the Araneta Coliseum. Yes, please give it up for Dylan, Argel, Jazz, and Ray! Okay, bati muna kayo isa-isa. Let's start with Dylan.
Hello mga kapamilya na nanonood po dyan. See you sa All-Star Games.
Oh, serious? So serious. Argel?
Magandang hapon sa inyo. Manood kayo ng All-Star Games sa July 29.
Thank you, Argel. Jazz?
What's up, Garjas? Good afternoon and copy-paste din. Manood kayo dapat. See you there.
Rain?
Hi everybody who watches Spotlight Star Magic. Hello po mga kapamilya. We are so excited to bring to you this year's All-Star Games. I'm sure it's gonna be much better than last year. I'll see you!
Sobrang exciting this year. Oo. So, sino Jazz and Rain po from Team Lady Setters? Sila po yung kalaban namin sa Team Lady Spikers. Oo. So, plastikan lang po yung makikita nyo ngayon. Talagang magkaaway po kami. Tapos sa July 20, sobrang exciting. Every time naman may Star Magic All-Star Games, talagang yung competitive spirit ng mga Star Magic artists lumalabas. Actually, magugulat kayo na, bait nito usually pero parang, di ba napapatawa si Argel? Parang may naaalala ka, Argel
Kasi kahit sa basketball, ganun din, magkakilala naman lahat. Pero nagpipisikalan pa rin.
Oo, di ba? Siyempre, lugi sila sa pisikalan sa'yo.
Medyo lang.
Yes, pero sige, kupusahin natin yung mga first-timers natin na mag-join sa Star Magic All-Star Games this year. First time nila, Dylan and Jazz. Okay, Dylan, ikaw, anong feeling mo na makakasama ka sa Star Magic All-Star Games ngayon? At volleyball pa, first time magkaka-men's volleyball. Para sa'yo ata talaga siya.
Sana nga. Hindi, medyo na kinakabahan na masaya. I'm blessed kasi syempre first time magkaroon ng men's volleyball sa Star Magic Games. Ang win-wish ko lang ng mga past years makapanood Pero ngayon maglalaro na ako, so I'm blessed. Happy.
Tsaka ang humble mo naman na kinakabahan ka. Ikaw yung professional player na. So, doon po sa mga inakamiss dun sa video, no? Dylan used to play for UE sa UAAP. So, player talaga siya sa UE Red Warriors. Tama ba?
Yes.
Oo. Okay. So, ngayong kalaro mo ay mga Star Magic artists, may difference ba sa experience? Kasi nagtatrain na tayo di ba? So, nakakalaro mo na yung mga fellow Star Magic artists mo.
Siyempre medyo yung iba hindi ganun ka-athletic unlike yung mga competitive athletes natin sa UAAP. Pero ayun, mas masaya in terms of banters, yung mga kulitan. Dahil syempre, mga artista to mga to Kumbaga humor nila, same level. So, doon ako natutuwa. And, of course, syempre, masayang ituro yung mga natutunan ko from playing the sport for the past years. So, ayun, na-share ko yung mga natutunan ko na nakakataba ng puso.
Dylan, dahil ikaw lang yung representative ng men's volleyball, ang daming curious. Parang sino ba yung mga kasama mo? Ano yung mga experiences mo so far sa training? Meron ka bang nagulat na, uy, ang galing niya Diba? Parang artista siya, hindi naman siya professional volleyball player, pero may laro
Actually, meron akong mababanggit dyan dahil
Sino?
nakalaro ko na sila mostly, lalo na sila Kuya Pat, yung PBB, si JL ng BGYO. Pero si Akira talaga nag-start siya from zero, as hindi siya marunong. Hindi siya marunong pero ngayon grabe, naabangan niyo si Akira guys. Ang galing ni Akira dito.
May progress, bale. Minsan yung hindi natin naakalain, biglang gumagaling.
O Ate Ai, lahat naman may progress pero yung sa kanya mabilis. Kaya siya talaga yung tumatak sa akin.
Akira, ma-pressure ka na. Taas ang expectations namin bigla sa'yo. Okay, thank you sa pasilip sa amin, sa men's volleyball team. Excited kami dyan kasi first time nga magkakaroon ng men's volleyball sa Star Magic All-Star Games. Okay, ngayon dumako naman tayo sa women's volleyball. Yes, okay. So, girls, how are the preparations so far? Ano share niyo sa training natin. Jazz, first time mo?
Yes, parang kung kinakabahan si Dylan, paano na kaya ako? Na hindi ako marunong, parang first time ko dala ng volleyball sa loob pa ng bahay ni Kuya, pasapa-sapa ako. Kaya paglabas, parang nung sinabihan ako na kasama ako, parang talaga, hindi kayo nagkamali. Sabi nga din naman ni Cap na parang, train mo na lang. Like, no one really starts na magaling, but at least be present. So yun, I'm learning slowly. They're all like very helpful naman. They're all very sweet. Parang ako lang yung hindi marunong doon eh.
Grabe naman.
Oy. Hindi totoo kasi naglaro talaga lahat mostly. So parang they're all so sweet and encouraging me na that's okay. Like, can make a mistake. Okay lang yan. Just enjoy the entire game. So yun, masaya naman. And I think one thing that's really beautiful is the bond that we all created. Hindi kami complete. Pero automatic, like there's an instant click na no judgment habang naglaro. So I'm excited, kinakabahan, pero yun.
Yes.
Team captain namin, no?
Ayun na nga. Pero bago tayo mapunta kay Rain, Jazz, ang pwede mo i-share, last training natin, you got the honor and privilege of being trained by Angel Canino of the DLSU Lady Spikers. Pati yung tatay ni Angel Canino nandun po sa mga hindi masyado familiar sa volleyball world, no? Isa siya sa mga best players in the country right now, Angel. So, would you like to share your experiences? Also, Lams was there from NU.
Yeah, grabe. Na-pressure ako at first. I was like, parang hindi ako makagalaw. But then they were very kind about it. Na parang, it's okay, kasi they're bunso. I mean, they're younger than me. So they, okay lang yan ate. You can do it. So giniguide na ko. And then the dad of Angel, she was like, one-on-one siya sa akin on how to do it. So for the first time, guys, napasok yung serve ko.
Yes! Progress again!
Progress! So sabi ko, oh my gosh. Sabi ko, papasok pa kayo next training. Na-abuse. Pero sobrang galing. Like, yun nga sabi ng dad ni Angel. And even si Angel, sabi niya na, Ate Jazz, you can just do it. Timing lang yan. And then you just have to really know the basic skills. And then from there, nag-i-improve. So, that was just in like 2 hours or less than 2 hours of training. But I learned so much. So, the honor is mine.
Thank you so much. Diba? Sino mag-aakala magkakaroon tayo ng ganong chance? So, sobrang bait nila.
Super.
Hindi lang po sina Angel yung makakasama natin, pati sina Bella Belen of NU, the champion team also. Rain, ikaw naman, what can you share about our experiences so far? Bilang ito naman, pagbabalik mo na for your third year, tama?
Yes, my third year na po. I remember I couldn't join 1 year because I was doing Araneta for Binibini. But this time, nakabalik na po kami. Super saya po. Kasi hindi lang po like body conditioning yung ginagawa po namin. It's also like a test of patience. Kasi grabe po yung patience ng coaches po namin. Like I can see it firsthand how patient they are with each player. Kasi iba-iba po kami ng skill level eh. So they really make sure na hindi kami, walang may iwan baga. So they're all teamwork po talaga siya. And ayun, I had so much fun. Grabe, super fit na talaga ako ngayon. Kasi yung training namin for us girls, it's 2 hours. And then, sumasama pa ako sa boys volleyball team. Kasi gusto ko talagang mag-improve. So from regular service, nag-jump serve na po ako ngayon with the boys volleyball team.
Doon po sa mga nag-aakalang parang si Rain, di ba, mukha siyang hindi makabasag pinggan, di ba, mukha mainit. Sobrang lakas niyang pumalo at hindi siya natatakot makipaglaro sa boys kasi kaya niya makipagsabayan sa men's volleyball. Ganun po siya kagaling. So abangan niyo po siya sa Star Magic All-Star Games. And you were part of the Mythical 16, di ba?
Yes po, from our previous All-Star Games.
Oo, so abangan natin yan.
Of course, abangan po natin si Ate Ai. Killer serves po yan talaga palagi.
Always.
Tusok over the net.
Pero taga-host lang din po talaga.
Segway!
Yes. Opo, abangan niyo po. This year, ay hindi ko pa ata pwede sabihin. Pero I will be having, if I'm not mistaken, 2 male co-hosts na nag-blind item na hindi pa nag-host before ng Star Magic All-Star Games. Bago po. And sobrang gagwapo. Oo, yun yung pwede ko sabihin. So abangan niyo po sila.